Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your SunWest Mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to google.com, and in the Google search bar search for SunWest Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of SunWest Mortgage. Now, if you are led to the login system, you can see under the My Loan section there is login and register. Click login and then you can see there are options of writing down your username and password. So go ahead and write down your SunWest Mortgage account's username and your password. After that, click login and then you can successfully log into your SunWest Mortgage account. If you are having any kind of problems about resetting your password or you want to recover your password, click on this link or click on this link to register your password or reset your password. If you want to register your account as you don't have a SunWest Mortgage account, click register for an account and then you can create an account for yourself quite easily by filling in the personal details like your login ID, your name, your personal informations like date of birth, your password, your loan number, your social security number, your date of birth, and you can create a SunWest Mortgage account for yourself. This was a video on how you can log into your SunWest Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.